Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Data Science with Yash. My name is Yashwant and I'm thrilled to have you here. In this channel, we'll be diving deep into the world of data science and exploring everything right from the basics to advanced concepts. Whether you are a complete beginner or looking to enhance your skills, there is something here for each and everyone. So, this will be the agenda for today's session. So, let us first start with what this channel is all about, right? Yeah. The first one is like what this channel is all about. This channel is dedicated to helping you understand the data science in a simple and practical way, where we'll be covering a wide range of topics, including the machine learning, natural language processing, deep learning, and much more. I'll also share some hands-on projects, tutorials, and industry insights to give you a comprehensive learning experience and a practical experience as well. So the next would be like why data science? Why we actually need to choose data science is something that I'm going to answer. Like so data science is transforming the way we make decisions. It solves the problems and understand the world around us. It is an excited field with endless possibilities, like from predicting the customer behavior to detecting the fraud. The data science applications are everywhere. And the best part is that the demand for data scientists is skyrocketing. Like according to the recent market trends, the data science field is like expected to grow significantly in the coming years, offering a lucrative career opportunities. So similarly, like we also let us also talk about the market trends of data science. Like the data science market is booming everywhere. As I said that the data science market is booming at every corner of the society. Companies across various industries are investing heavily in this data-driven strategies, and the skills in the data science are among the sought after with competitive salaries and opportunities for growth. Whether you are at tech gains or finance firms or healthcare providers or even the startups, I can say, like even the startups, the data science are in very high demand. So, and the next is like I just want to share my journey, like how I was into this data science field and how it started and everything. I'll just tell you very briefly. I hope this might inspire you. Yeah. So the first point is like I basically come from a non-technical background. Non-technical. Okay. And I actually wanted to share this my story like to inspire you. And within this non-technical, I was basically from B.Sc chemistry. This is the second point I want to tell. Like I have no idea, no, no idea about what I'm going to pursue in my future, like about my career, like what I'm going to pursue. However, like I somehow came across the field data science. I realized that the importance of data science in today's world. I realized that the importance of the data in today's world and what it actually matched perfectly with my ability and interest in solving problems. Like as I told, having said that, I basically started with zero knowledge, zero knowledge, and like I have no knowledge on this programming languages, programming, or the data analysis part. But what actually helped me is that through consistent efforts and learning, I was able to transition into data science. Like, as I said, from non-technical, directly I was into now data science. Through my consistent effort and learning, I was able to this have a transition into data science. And At present, at present, I work as a data analyst. I work as a data analyst at a major MNC. Yeah. So what I want to tell is like if I can do it, so you can too. That is what I actually wanted to tell you. Like being from a non-technical background, I'm into the field of data science, and right now I'm as a data analyst at some major MNC. So if I am able to have a transition into data science from a non-technical, why can't you? Yeah. So this is something about my journey. And next continuation, if I ask like why did I choose the data science? Like my answer would be, let me share a bit about like why did I choose the data science. My passion for data science like stems from its ability to drive the innovations and solve the real world problems. I believe like that by understanding and leveraging the data, we can make a positive impact on the world. This is very much true, and this channel is my way of sharing that passion with you and helping you navigate in your journey in data science. Yes, and the next question would be like you can ask Yashwant like who all can learn data science. Almost, I think you got the answer, but still, I just want to tell very briefly. You may be wondering like, can I learn data science? Like, can I learn? Can I learn data science? Okay, yes, if I don't have a technical background, like you may be wondering if I can learn data science if I'm from a non-technical background. The answer is absolutely yes. I can tell this very confidently that the answer is yes. Regardless of your background in undergraduation or post graduation, you can learn the skills which is needed to become like a very proficient in data science. The only thing you need is like with proper dedication and the right guidance, you can have a transition into the field and open up the new career paths. So I hope you got the answer for this. And the next question would be like the channel roadmap. I'll tell in a very short, like in a very briefly, I'll try to explain what are we going to do in this upcoming videos. Let us start with basics. Yeah. Within the basics, the very first module or the programming language that you need to learn is Python. Definitely Python. Python is like a backbone to this data science. We'll have to start the foundation concepts and also the next is like statistics part. Statistics part. And within this Python, you have libraries like NumPy and Pandas as well. This will help in data manipulation. Yeah. So this is something the basics utmost required to get into the advanced topics, or it is because like these basics are something interlinked with that of the advanced concepts. So only if you're strong at these basics, you can move forward. So next is this intermediate topics. Intermediate, you have something called this machine learning algorithms, right? ML algorithms, and the next is the data visualization. And anyways, like within this ML algorithms, you'll be doing the EDA part, data pre-processing, and everything comes here. And we'll try to like explore these each and everything that is there in the machine learning and the advanced concepts. We'll try to explore the deep learning, and within this deep learning, we have something called neural networks. Neural networks. Within these neural networks, we have different types like ANN, artificial neural network. We have CNN. convoluted neural networks, and RNN, recurrent neural networks. And also the next is like NLP part. We'll also be discussing about NLP, natural language processing, where we'll be learning about the sentiment analysis. We have LSTM concept, that is long short-term memory, and many more. I'll also share the practical projects, the case studies, and the industry best practices. So this is something brief about what we are going to learn in the coming days, in the coming lectures. So yes, I'm excited to embark on this journey with you, and your support is very crucial in making this channel a success. So please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest videos. And yes, if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to me on the social media. Let's build a community of learners and grow together in a fascinating world of data science. And yes, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.